Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to save photos from Dropbox to gallery. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to save photos from Dropbox to gallery. Initially, I'm gonna go to the photos section right here at the bottom of the screen. I'm just gonna click on it. And as you can see, these are the photos that are in my Dropbox. Now let's just say I want to save any random photo in my gallery. I'm just going to select one at random. I selected this one, and right now I want to download it. At the top right, you can see those three dots, namely called as more. Just click on it, and something like this will open up right from the bottom. At the top, you can see a few icons like comment, download, trash, and share. Right now, we do want to download, so I'm going to click on the download button right here. It's gonna ask you to select the download location. Well, I'm okay with it right here, so I'm just gonna hit on save. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the file has been exported. Now I'm gonna go to gallery right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the photo has been downloaded from Dropbox to my gallery. That's about it guys. That's how we save photos from Dropbox to gallery. It is quite easy. So if you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.